Today is Friday, May 30th, and I have a problem. 1, I'm single. 2, I don't have a date tonight. But I found a solution. I read on the internet that women are attracted to archery. Lucky me, I have a bow. So I bought some new parts. I got a new arrow rest. This is a drop rest. And a new sight. And a dozen new arrows. These carbon fiber arrows are a good inch longer than my original arrows. So I'm gonna increase the draw length on my bow. Once the new equipment is installed, then I'll have to sight in my bow and do some target practice. I was able to extend the draw length on my bow, which is much more comfortable now. For you meatheads, I'm pretty sure that's a 70-pound draw weight. Now I will replace the arrow rest. For those who are not familiar with archery, this is called a whisker biscuit, and I'm switching it over to this drop rest. The reason it's called a drop rest is because whenever you pull back on the bow, boop, the rest drops and gets out of the way of the arrow. Now I need to attach this string to the bow string, or at least this part of it, not the back part. With the rest in place, I can now take off the sight. This sight is actually really cool. I 3D designed and printed it myself last year. It's a rack and pinion design, see that? So when you rotate this knob, it spins a gear on the inside, then there's teeth right here that it moves the sight up and down. This sight only has 1 indicator, where the new one has 5. I would like to mount my quiver to the bow. So I 3D printed this mount that pops in there and then it rotates and locks into place. Got the new rest on, the new sight, and mounted the quiver. Ooh, feels good. So strong. All right, little right. I actually do better farther away. First shot, 30 yards. Whoa, this is definitely gonna give me a date. It's getting tighter. I'm gonna back up to 40 yards and see if I can really zone in on the bullseye. 40 yards, shot 1. That was a perfect shot. I don't think I need to shoot anymore at 40. I'm just gonna go back to 50. I'm adjusting my 50-yard pin. 50 yards, shot 1. Oh, that was a bad shot, ow. Let's try that again, but without dirt in my eye. I just lost an arrow. 50 yards, arrow 3. Oh, that wasn't too bad. I found my lost arrow, so I think it's time to go to 60 yards. See the sight all the way down there. First shot, 60 yards. Oh, that was really bad. Oh. That one hit the target. This will be my last round at 60 yards. Let's see if I can slam a bullseye. I think it's gonna rain soon. And it's starting to rain. Last arrow. Whoa! Let's go check it out. As you can see, no bullseye at 60 yards. But at least I hit the target. That's cool. All right, it's starting to rain. I definitely need to practice more archery to be more attractive. Hey Aurora, do you have any plans tonight?
Oh Jake, it's just you and me, so my plans are looking pretty open.
Sounds great.